How much VRAM do gamers need in 2023? Unfortunately, having enough VRAM on your GPU is a luxury today. VRAM is crucial for gaming performance, and inadequate VRAM can lead to frame drops and blurred textures, especially when gaming at high resolution or using effects like ray tracing. 8 GB VRAM has become obsolete for modern gaming even at 1080 pixel setting. Games like The Last of Us Part 1 have performance issues on 8 GB GPUs. The recommended minimum VRAM for a high-end card would be around 12 GB, which is necessary for 440 pixel or 4K high refresh rate gaming. Ideally, 16 GB VRAM should be standard for upper mid-range cards, and high-end GPUs should have 20 GB or 24 GB VRAM for a lasting solution without limitations. So now the point is that actually how much VRAM do we need at this moment? So 12 GB VRAM should be the absolute minimum if you ask me. Then if I have to recommend a certain amount of VRAM as the bare minimum for a high-end card, it should have to be 12 GB. While this is a bit overkill for weaker cards like the RTX 3060 or the RTX 3060 Ti, it's necessary for cards suited for 440 pixel or 4K high refresh gaming. This would set you up nicely for the current roster of demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Alan Wake 2. Unfortunately, even 12 GB VRAM isn't ideal if you plan to spend upwards of $700 to $800 on a graphics card. You are investing a huge chunk of your budget on a card powerful enough for drives 60 plus frame per second at mixed out 440 pixel or 4K settings, and there's no reason such a card should be held back simply due to inadequate virtual RAM, that is VRAM. However, that's how things are in today's market, particularly in the Nvidia camp. In my opinion, 16 GB should have become the standard on upper mid-range cards like the RTX 4070 Ti long ago. So this was the topic of how much VRAM do you actually need. So 12 GB is the bare minimum. Remember, 16 GB is also really perfect for you as per your requirements. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Like this video and share with your friends, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel for daily technological and computer related videos, then please do consider subscribing. Your one like and your one subscription is a huge motivation